Hi friends, this is your Srinivas. Welcome to our channel. Today I am coming with you in front of you. I am going to teach such a good topic. Another topic that is a nice topic, one of the good topic in paper 1. The topic is we are going to discuss such a beautiful topic in state level and CBSE level. The topic is nothing but, dear friends, pair of linear equations. Yes. Before going to discuss the heading of a chapter, we have to learn previously what we learnt in previous classes. What we have learnt. Yes, just we discuss it. What is an equation? Yes, we must know that word. What is an equation? What is an equation? What is a linear equation in one variable? What is an equation in two variable? Then we have to go with our topic. What is an equation, friends? Yes, an equality which is involving one or more variables, then it is called an equation. Clear? Now example, 2x equals to 5 and a plus 3 equals to 7. These are the example of equation. Okay, in that algebraic terms will be there. What is a linear equation? Yes, an equation which consists only one variable, the power is one only. An equation which consists the one variable, its power should be 1, then the equation is known as linear equation or a simple equation. It has unique solution. That means one and only one solution it consists. Wait, now, yes, today our topic is linear equation in two variable. Yes, an equation which consists two variables in the form of ax plus by plus c equals to 0. Such term is called linear equation in two variable. Then we can say that this is also known as general form of linear equation. Yes, what is the linear equation, friends? Yes, form of linear equation ax plus c. Yes, this is our example because here one variable, its the power is 1, then general form of linear equation we have done in previous classes very clearly. What about linear equation two variables? Simple only. Ax plus by plus c is equals to 0. This is called linear equation in two variable. Here x and y is called two variable. Here a comma b comma c all belongs to real numbers. Okay. Now said here a is not equals to 0, b is also not equals 0. The condition will satisfy, then it is known as linear equation in two variable, right? X and y variable. You can take p, q, l, m your choice, but small case letters we have to use as a variable, right? Now, dear friends, in this chapter we are going to discuss what are the important learning outcomes. Just we have completed definition of linear equation in two variable, right? In this chapter we are going to discuss such a beautiful learning outcomes. Yes, learning outcomes of this pair of linear equation. What is the linear equation? Yes, an equation which consists two variable in the form of ax plus by plus c equals to 0, then it is called linear equation where a comma b comma c belongs to R and a is not equal to 0, b is also not equal to 0. This is called linear equation in two variable. Now the two variable having degree is 1. Very important note point here, right? Now pair of linear equation. Yes, we have to form a pair of linear equation for two variable, two equal variable. Then the system of linear equations is known as pair of linear equation. What are they, friends? Yes, these are the pair of linear equation. That is nothing but a1x plus b1y plus c1 equals to 0, a2x plus b2y plus c2 equals to 0, where a1, b1, c1, a2, b2, c2 all are belongs to real number. The condition must be not equals to 0, b1 not equals to 0, a2 not equals to 0, b2 also not equals to 0. Then it is known as general form of system of pair of linear equations. General form of system of pair of linear equation in two variable. Clear? a1, b1, c1 coefficients, a2, b2, c2 are also coefficients. Now dear friends, linear equation is completed. Pair of linear equations also completed about this, right? Now we have to solve the pair of linear equation in this chapter by using three methods. Generally, we have to use one is graphically representation. Yes, we learned in 9th class about pair of linear equation to variable. We did it. Now graphical representation also we did it. The linear equation is in the form of straight line. That for that reason we can say that this is also linear equation in two variable. That x and y will satisfy this x and y will satisfy this condition. Then the x and y is also called as solution of linear equation. Now, linear equation, pair of linear equation is over. How many methods for solving for a linear pair of linear equation? 3 methods are there. Graphical representation and algebraical method and modal method. But we have to use most probably these two only. One is graphical representation of pair of linear equation and second one algebraical representation also. In algebra also we have having various three categories are there. One is substitutional method and elimination method. Second one, third one is cross multiplication is there. By using these conditions, we have to solve the pair of linear equation in easiest manner. Before you have to see, friend, in graphical representation we have to solve the pair of linear equation. It is clear. Now to solve the pair of linear equation in graphically, we have to come to understand. We have to come to know about the conditions of conditions for solvability for a pair of linear equation. Conditions for what are the three conditions? Tell us, friends. Yes, you know a1 is the coefficient of x, a2 is the coefficient of secant equation x. Here b1, b2 are the coefficients of y, c1, c2 are the constant. These two are the general form of linear equation. Clear? Yes. Here first suppose a1 by a2 not equals to b1 by b2. In that condition, for example, you have to take any two equations. We have to compare the a1, b1, c1, a2, b2, c2 values. You have to compare it. The coefficients are not equals. Then we have to write in graphically that graphs are called as. We can say that the word is intersecting lines. Intersecting lines, or we can say that consistent depends on the requirement of the question. We can say that this word. Clear? For suppose a1 by a and in algebraical we have to say them. Yes, when the intersecting lines must have one solution, that is called unique solution. Yes, it has unique solution. In algebraically we can say that. Clear? Now, for suppose coefficients of x on both equation, coefficients of y on both equation both are equal and constants are not equal, such lines are called parallel lines, and we can say that inconsistent lines. We can say that inconsistent lines also. Okay. Now, when the parallel lines never meet, obviously we can say that it has no solution. Yes, it has no solution, dear friends. Remember. And the last condition, coefficient of x on both equation, coefficients of y on both equation, and constants also, as well as these are equal. Such lines are called dependent lines, or a requirement of the question we can say that coincident lines. Dependent or coincident lines. Such lines has many solutions means infinite solutions. In algebraical we can express it. Yes, friend, these three conditions are very important. For suppose these two are not equals, the such lines are called intersecting lines. It has one solution. Sometimes we can say that depends on our question. We can say the word, we can use the word consistent also. And these two are equal, third one is not equal, then we can say that parallel or inconsistent lines. It has no solution because parallel lines never meet. Now these three are equal, these three ratios are equal. The such lines are called dependent or coincident line. When the coincident dependent lines has infinite number of solution. This is the very important box for do the graphical representation, as well as we have to express the statements in algebraically also. Therefore, this is the way we have to understand the definition of pair of linear equations and what are the system of pair of linear equation, what are the conditions we have to use, how many methods are there to solve the pair of linear equation, we have to complete it in our first introduction video today only. So my dear friends, I hope that you have to understand this introduction video about pair of linear equation. Now I have to go with the exercise problem and using several methods and get the good knowledge. Till then, practice well and share these videos to your friends and relatives and give a like and comments to me. Thank you very much.